To change your air injection changeover valve, you will need to remove the front engine cover, red arrow, by pulling it straight up from the front. You will also need to remove the right air intake duct. Do this by compressing it off the air filter cover, then slipping it off the duct, yellow arrow. Please see our article on engine cover removal for additional assistance by following the link at the end of this video. The air injection changeover valve is located at the front of the motor on the right side and is shown by the red arrow. The changeover valve is mounted to the clip in front of the cam sensor, red arrow. Release the tab on the rear of the valve and slide it off of the mount, red arrow. Disconnect the two rubber lines, noting which goes where for reinstallation, red arrow. Squeeze in the small tab on the electrical connection, red arrow, and separate the connection. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.